JBE is focused behind a turnkey style product. You'll see features in this house that are really unique, and that makes the difference between a house and a home. Hi, I'm Lorraine Jordan from JBE Construction. We bring dreams and make them a reality.
Keeping in theme with other homes by the architect and developer, you have an industrial-styled home with different hues and shades of grey, layered over the facade of the exterior. It presents modestly to the street, but in essence, it's a 3-level home dug into a deep and stretched out site. The driveway, along with the strong vertical, horizontal and diagonal lines, narrow towards the front entrance, leading you to a spectacular front door.
One of the most unique features on this home, the front steel door. Everybody stops as they drive past, not to realize that it's actually the entrance door.
A floating hidden entrance, accented by sculptural steel elements, welcomes the visitors, with a beautiful courtyard garden located below. The perforated walkway and balustrading provide openings that allow you to see through them, so that you can fully experience the gardens and views ahead of you.
As we enter through that amazing steel front door, we have a glass bridge, which is accentuated by a beautiful garden, which highlights the fact that it is a suspended glass piece. My son's idea behind the glass bridge was to have a beautiful focal point for the house, and I think this here is achieved beautifully.
The home is designed around a frameless glass dining room bridge, connecting 2 main volumes of the house. As you enter the home, it provides a unique viewpoint, connecting the front of the home to the back. Not only does it flood natural light into the home spaces, but it's possibly the best place to overlook the backyard of your home, as well as the views into the river valley and the hills over the vast horizon. The textured greys of the furniture and the 2 hanging lights are complemented by the floating glass shelves with steel wide ropes threading them together. Right off the dining room and entrance, there's a large, well-fitted powder room with a textured wallpaper, tying in the dark vanity top with a freestanding sink, as well as a dark tile by the hidden cistern. The floating staircase adjacent has grass accents below, leading you past the 2-car garage and up to the top floor. The top floor is a beautiful loft area, complemented by a small wet bar. Glazing to the rear frame more views to the vista, accessible by a unique mezzanine area, allowing views to the staircase below. There's a wall of glass that opens to a large balcony, overlooking the front yard and driveway. The space is further complemented by a full bathroom. Going back to the glass bridge, another hallway leads to the bedrooms of this floor, the first one being the primary bedroom. The spacious main bedroom is highlighted by the corner glazing that opens up to its own private terrace, overlooking the yard and the aforementioned views, It has dark, moody furniture to cozy up the space, with a unique seating area to lounge and read a book. A barn sliding door leads us to an open concept dressing room and bathroom. The cabinetry and the dresser are well equipped in a spacious environment. Leading to the bathroom, there's a large frameless shower, a double vanity, and a striking freestanding bathtub at the corner of the bathroom. The hallway leads to the two-car garage as well as the other bedroom on this floor, which is en-suite. This contemporary home cascades down the steep slope across various levels, defined by the various functions with expansive and uninterrupted views. The home takes advantages of the views by having a somewhat upside-down layout. The main living areas and the kitchen are on this upper level. The large open-plan area has high ceilings with exposed steel trusses. The kitchen has a dark grey color scheme with seamless touch-to-open cabinetries and a high-end appliance range. The island is encapsulated by a fabricated quartz countertop. The island is two-toned with a darker stone emerging from the rear, creating a comfortable breakfast nook. A well-fitted scullery with washer and dryer leads to the kitchen yard of the home. The living room is furnished with a large comfortable sectional couch, accessorized by furniture that has shades of blue, with a large TV wall in a dark plaster finish. The informal dining room is paired with a wet bar to service the space. An indoor braai, as well as a 6-seater concrete dining table, exclaims the living area on this floor. This leads to a large balcony with folding doors providing another point in the home to experience the views. A linear staircase behind the living room takes you down to the lower level, where we find the first of the remaining bedrooms. The bedroom is en suite with more of the darker tones, highlighted by another freestanding bathtub. The room is well finished with cabinetry and a dresser. The cozy bed setup provides a great place to lie down as you look towards the views. The balcony of the home opens up to the backyard as well, bringing natural light into the space. The second bedroom is similarly finished with cupboards and dresser, as well as a full en-suite bathroom. As you leave this bedroom, you enter the spectacular backyard of this home. You've got a large infinity edge pool that acts as a soundtrack to the area with the cascading water. An outdoor seating area is located below the glass bridge of the home, with the courtyard below the entryway in the background. There's an entertainment room adjacent with a large seating area. There's space for a large pool table that further adds to amenities in this area. The wet bar has island seating, fully kitted with appliances to service your guests. The full glass wall opens to the backyard as well, with the landscaping in full view. The natural gardens cascade down the hill with leafy greens and protruding rocks. It leads to your fire pit of the home, where you have a good look at the rear architecture of the house. The angular theme is reflected through the entirety of the space. The floating slabs are just out over the descending slope for a dramatic position to be enjoyed by the occupants. From here you also have the full view of the infinity edge pool, with the water coming down creating a great waterfall effect. Some of my favorite homes are ones that really surprise you. Ones where the closer you get, the deeper you dive, the more that you discover. My favorite quote that I often repeat and I will continue to repeat is by Frank Lloyd Wright. A good building is not one that hurts the landscape, but one that makes the landscape more beautiful than it was before it was built. And I think JBE Construction and RedBricks Architects managed to do that quite well here.